Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take this display in the dash out of your second gen Saab 9.3. If this video is helpful, you can just smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we just need to pry up this little vent thing here. So just get like a screwdriver or something and you can just pry this up pretty easy. The next thing we need to do is take out these two torque bit screws right here. All right, those were T25 bits. At this point, you can then pull it out, and then it's clipped right here. You just need to push this clip down. You can pull it out. Let's see if I can get you a little better angle. All right, had to use two hands to pull it out after that lever is pushed down, but there you go. There you got your display out nice and easy. Hey, if this video is helpful, you tap that thumbs up button. It really helps out a lot. And I hope you have a good one.